Have you heard what Caterpillar is doing to protect your equipment and make machine ownership simpler? Check it out. It's called the Cat Performance CVA. Here's how it works. First, this is for any cat machine you own not already covered by an equipment protection plan, no matter how long you've owned it. As with every CVA, you get genuine cat parts tested and proven to help your components last longer and perform better. But obviously, even the best parts don't last forever. Don't sweat it. With the Performance CVA, your critical parts like injectors, turbos, aftertreatment, or hydraulic pumps are covered. And trained cat dealer techs install the parts, not only freeing up your skilled workers to do other things, but also giving you peace of mind that cat's on the job. Components should last longer. Critical parts are covered, and your cat dealer services your equipment. It's that simple. That's the Performance CVA. Talk to your cat dealer today.